Hello everyone, this is Irfan. Welcome to my channel. And today's in this section, I'm going to cover about how to reverse the transaction. If it is a single transaction, we can reverse through the B08 transaction. And if we have multiple documents need to be mass reversal should be done, then F.81 we have another transaction code. So I will demonstrate about these two transaction in this session today. So generally in a real-time scenarios there may be so many situations I have been seen. So the business users have confused by confusingly or by mistakenly they have posted some wrong documents, and then later they have realized it, and this document is wrong. So for those documents they want to reverse. In that scenario they will be using mostly for the single document they will be using a B08 transaction code, and for reversal of mass reversal they will be in the same transaction code we will be having a mass reversal option as well. So we'll see those two options today in this class. So for the first of all we need to check the documents, what are the documents we have in my current system. So for that I'm using the transaction code AB03. So here document list, and my company code is 2000, and then I will, and the physical year 2023, and the document type I will provide SA. So let me check how many documents I have here. Okay, so I have many documents I have. So now I will show you how to reverse the document. First of all I will reverse this document and I will show you. Okay, so for that I need to open another screen, and the transaction code is to reverse a single document. The transaction code is AB08. Okay, I'm just copying the document number. So the last document I'm going to reverse this document. So before reversal I will show you here this document, and then I will show you the ABL3N report also. ABL3N GL report. So here we can see this one, and all items execute. So the document number is 100038 ending with 38. So now I'm going to reverse this document. So here currently is a debit entry is there. So and the total amount is 2,20,000 is there. So we'll see. Once I reverse this document, there will be another line item will be generated with the credit line item. Then debit and credit both will be nullified, and then the here balance will be 1,70,000 it will show. We'll see here. Okay, so not this one. Document and the company code and the physical year, and here we need to select the reversal reason. So for this I will be selecting the reversal reason as a wrong posting, and posting date I'm giving as today's date 22/09/2023. Hit enter, and display before reversal. It means it will display the document before reversal. So this is the original document which we are going to reverse it. So go one more step back, and then just click on post. So system has posted another document with 1000039 was posted in company code 2000. So let's go back to GL report, and here click on list, and click on refresh here. So here we can see I try to reverse this document through a B08 transaction. So system has generated this document 1000039 with a credit amount. So debit and credit both are nullified. Then my balance would be 1,70,000. Earlier it was 2,20,000. So this is how we can reverse the entry for single document. I will show you now. If we have multiple documents like 10 or 20 documents, instead of doing one by one we can use the other transaction code to do the mass reversal. So for that, in the same transaction code, you will be having this option, mass reversal. You just click on this option, it will take you to the another transaction code, that is f.80. So here you will be providing the company code, sorry, company code. Company code is 2000 and the physical year is 2023, and you will be having some multiple options here. You can give the document number range here from and to, and if you want all the documents which with this document type, for particular document type, you can give the only document type option, and you can also give the posting date. From this posting date to this posting date, I need to reverse all the documents. These options we can use here. And then i will I will go back to this screen. So here, okay, I will manually select this document, this documents, these many documents. So 8 documents I have manually selected here, and I'm pasting here, I'm maintaining here. Okay, see, 8 values, select single value, 8 values I have selected, and then click on execute here. And then I'm executing this in test run first. Okay, so here we can see all the documents which are going to be reversed: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. All the 6 documents are going to reverse now. Okay, one step back and remove the test run, and click on process, and then just mention the posting date as 22.09.2023, and then click on execute. So system has reversed all the 8 documents here, we can see. Mm, yeah, so for this document, system is throwing one error saying that requires an account assignment to relevant costing accounting. So in my case, for this GL account, the PSG has been activated, profitability segment, and the OKB9 entry is not maintained. So that's why I am getting this error. So here we can see this this document we can see here in this report. Just go one step back and execute again. Yeah, so here we can see the reversal documents. Here system has updated it here. It's updated here. Okay, I will show you one document as well. So generally the reversal document will be the document type would be AB. It will, with the AB it will be. Okay, so here I will go and I will select the document type AB. So then you will see the all the reversal entries. See 39 first, we have did it from AB08 transaction code, and from 40 to 44 we did it from F.880 transaction code. So this is the way to reverse the single or mass transaction, mass document reversal. This is the process. So thank you so much for watching this video.